Hi everyone. I just wanted to post a video about how to get access to the e-reader for Vocab Journey and language. This is going to be a tool that you're going to need the rest of the year, so I want to make sure you're able to access it. This is the student view, so you want to go into vocabjourney.com, preferably using Google Chrome or Firefox, I think also works. So your students should know their login information from school, and if not, let us know and we can get you their login if they forgot it. But once they log in, oh, hold on, let's see. Okay, so if this black screen pops up, you're going to want to click this unlock button right here in the corner. And you can allow access to the Flash player. And it should work once you reload it. Here we go. Okay, so now once you're in here, this is the actual vocab journey where they can go in and choose a level of words, or they can go down here and do categories based on their book and unit. But the e-reader, you're going to want to click Curriculum Center down here in the right corner, and then click Language e-reader. So for my students, you're either going to have Book D or Book E. Click Book D. And again, you want to allow the Flash player. And we are currently in Unit 23.
Zap, a science fiction.
So this will read the whole story to you guys. I hope that is easy enough. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And then to go back and access the rest of the stories, it automatically starts reading them to you, so you just have to click the pause button and then scroll down, and these are going to be the instructional text that we're going to use the rest of the year. I hope that was helpful. This link is going to be available on Schoology, and I'll also email it to you guys. But in the future, everything's going to be available on Schoology. Thank you so much.